Are you filming?
Go ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Roxanne, Grinage, HireLyrics.org. Today is September 14th, 2010. It's a Tuesday, and I'm just leaving one of the specialists that my primary care physician referred me to. And as you know, what we have been doing is trying to demonstrate administrative solutions that can be used by already financially devastated working class, student, and impoverished American families who have been victimized somehow in a variety of ways by having their children kidnapped for profit through dishonest application of Children's Protective Services through various state agencies, DHS, CYS, and how it works in conjunction with corrupt or unethical family court domestic relations judges or private wealthy attorneys posing as custody and support decision makers in our family courts. And the victimization doesn't only affect the trauma, it doesn't only result in trauma, post-traumatic stress, alienation, parent alienation syndrome. Those aren't the only injuries. There are personal injuries that occur either through abuse or neglect, and there's never any accountability leverage for it. So we said last year, let's try using our pro se informa par pares right to document the official corruption, fraud, civil rights victimizations where we were denied due process through a series of felony crimes perpetrated upon us by those people who use their official positioning to do so. That would be, attorneys, family court judges, and the state agency Department of Human Services social workers. And we made it very clear that we were not complaining about custody adjudications and orders as much as or existing laws, policies, and procedures as much as we wanted our lawmakers and decision makers to see that we had evidence that people were using and misusing the immunity language, abusing the immunity language in the 1983 Civil Rights Act, that there's nothing in a social worker's position description that says they can override a doctor's report and fraudulently report someone as a child abuser. And there's nothing in a private wealthy attorney's position description as a custody or divorce. Oh, bus is coming. We'll finish this later. I want to talk about the conflict of interest disclosure. All right. Join us on Blog Talk Radio this Sunday. We're going to feature Michigan victims.
Love and respect, everyone. This is Roxanne Grinage. I'm your host today for HireLyrics is Born to Serve on Blog Talk Radio, where we try to meet every Sunday at 11 a.m. to share administrative solutions for market entering challenges for the previously unseen, unaccommodated, worldwide population of disadvantaged creators. A new civil rights movement is underway in these United States, which is not characterized by race or even class. The arsenal gear package of the winning force will include internet technologies, collaboration, and dignity for the human spirit. Intelligence gathering will measure two-way accountability, work ethic, synergy, and intent. The winning American family will leverage personal accountability upon U.S. citizens' public docket database measured/exposed court and Department of Human Services serial criminals bearing titles of judge, esquire, evaluator, social worker, procurement office, Department of Economic Security, Title IV funded, foster and adoption contractor, provider, etc. In this new civil rights movement, which is underway in America and which records for history CPS corruption and government fighting soldiers emerging from the ranks of middle class, working poor, technology, protector fathers, mothers, grandparents, healthcare, university students, entrepreneurial and MBA communities, collaborating strategies for slowing and stopping U.S. citizens' public docket database recorded child slaughter, U.S. economy fraud, court reform, state of emergency. Families employed in law enforcement walk a tightrope balancing act, challenged to reconcile work ethic, professionalism, and the need to comply with their employers' official procedures and policies and their personal political, religious, and moral convictions to treat their fellow human brothers or sisters with dignity and respect in the midst of the tumultuous upheaval caused by CPS corruption in government, fighting soldier families, saying, as Rosa Parks did so many years ago to set off another civil rights movement, no more. We now say, no more court-ordered abuse of our children, no more kidnap for profit, no more human trafficking of our children, while wealthy court and DHS positioned abusers of the immunity language in 1983 Civil Rights Act keep their children safe, educate their children, and grow fatter and engorged on the stolen vested interests and careers of Philadelphia's working class families. Much love, much respect. This is Roxanne Grinage.